Thank you for using Draw My California Community. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the drawing layers to create your community map. On the map, you can see the area that you pan to with a few different base map options which show varied levels of detail or landmarks. You can choose this base map based on whichever is easiest for you to work with. The drawing layer that is displayed on the map at any given time is the layer you can use to draw the location of your community by using the drawing tools. For example, right now we can see the county lines displayed, which means we can add counties to the map. You can see which drawing layer is currently visible on the map underneath the Draw Your Community section in the sidebar, where the name of the layer will be displayed in the same color as the layer's lines that appear on that map. When you open Draw My California Community, you will automatically be viewing the map in the county drawing layer. By default, the map will automatically switch between different drawing layers based on your zoom level. Zooming in from the county level will switch the drawing layer to places, then tribal, then tracks, and finally, blocks. If you want to use a specific drawing layer but that layer does not appear on the map by default based on your zoom level, click the Choose Drawing Layer drop-down list below the drawing layer label. Choose the layer you want to work with, then zoom to whichever view works best for you to edit the area in your community map. Because drawing layers can be a bit complicated to understand, we'll do one more demonstration drawing a community map in Berkeley. Choose which drawing layer you want to use by zooming to the view that corresponds with this layer. For this demonstration, I will be starting on the tracks layer. Use the drawing tools to add tracks to the area. In this case, I want to zoom out to see my entire selected community while still being able to work on the tracks layer. To do this, I will select Tracks from the drop-down menu. Now, when I zoom out, I can still see the tracks drawing layer and make changes using this layer. Now that I've added these tracks, I want to refine my map by removing some blocks that I do not consider to be a part of my community. To do this, I will return to the default setting on the drop-down menu so I can once again control the drawing layer by zooming. Now I can zoom into the blocks drawing layer and remove any blocks that do not belong in my community map. By switching between drawing layers, you can create your map to be as accurate as possible. Once you have completed your community map and answered the questions in the Describe Your Community section, you are ready to submit your community directly to the California Redistricting Commission. To learn more about using Draw My California Community, check out our user guide by clicking the link below. Thank you for your participation.